Hello and welcome back everyone, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and today we are kicking off a weekend vlog. So right now it is Friday, it's about 6 o'clock and I finished work and got home just after 5, made some dinner, and I just changed to get ready for the walk. So I just put on this white t-shirt, some black workout pants, and some Nikes for dinner. I'm very excited about this. I've eaten the same thing for the past 3 days. I make white rice and then I fry shrimp. And then for the sauce, I do a tikka masala like sauce paste. That's like in the Indian section of the grocery store. I used to go to an Indian grocery store to buy it, but now they carry out like Rayleigh's. So it's tikka masala spice paste, and then I mix in a few other things, make it my own, and then put it over the shrimp and rice, and it is so freaking good. If I could eat variations of curry every day, I literally would. I didn't try curry until college, and it was like mind-blowing, and I've pretty much been obsessed since. So we're going on a pretty long streak here. This intro, once again, it's getting long, so let's get into the weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below. Let's get into it. Good morning. It's the next day, so it's Saturday morning, and I know I did not vlog anymore yesterday, so quick little catch up. So me and my friend, we went on a lovely 4-mile walk, and it was just what I needed. We caught up, got my exercise in. It felt so good, and we did like a sunset walk, so it was also had like, you know, the views and everything, and yeah, I loved it. And then I came home and I found this new show. It's on the Hallmark channel and it's called The Way Home, and it's really, really good. I literally binged the entire season last night. I was up until almost 1 a.m. because I just couldn't turn it off, and I go to bed at like 9. So this was like major staying up late for me, but it was so worth it. So I'm not gonna give any like spoilers or anything, but the general situation of the show or premise of the show, mother-daughter, mother loses her job and moves the two of them to her childhood home with her mom, so grandma. And then it's the 3 of them, and there turns out to be some sort of time traveling opportunity that allows them to attempt to mess with time, also, you know, go back and see things that they wouldn't have been able to see. And it's really, really well done, and it's not like cheesy or anything like that. It's really like heartfelt, a lot of healing going on, but also adventure, and it's really good. Despite having gone to bed so late, my natural alarm clock was like, good morning, it's 6:50, you have slept in, congratulations. So did not sleep too much last night, but I still woke up feeling surprisingly good. So enjoyed my coffee in bed, snuggling the pups, and then got up, showered, got ready, and that's where we are now. So I've decided that I'm going to wash my makeup brushes right now, and then I'm going to take the pups to the pup park, and then we'll go from there. But those are the big things I want to do. Hopefully wash the sheets. I think it's time to give the pups a bath. Okay, I'm gonna crouch down while I wash my brushes. I've got them all right here. But yeah, I'm gonna take the pups to the pup park. We don't take them there too frequently these days, just because we find that I don't know what it is with like the dog parks in Sacramento, but a lot of them have basically just allowed the areas where dogs like get water and drink, like where there's a hose. They have been just very poorly maintained, and they end up just being giant mud puddles, or like if there's a broken sprinkler, it takes forever to get it fixed. So it creates, again, a giant mud puddle. So every time we've taken the pups to a dog park in the past, honestly, like 2 years, there has been some kind of giant mud puddle, and we have tried, I kid you not, at least 6 or 7 different dog parks. I don't know what is going on. It just seems to be a Sacramento County issue. but they keep getting so freaking dirty. So it's very discouraging. So we've been instead, you know, just taking them on walks and taking them to different like parks and fenced in areas and doing like ball throws and stuff. You guys have seen little clips of that in all of my video, not all, but majority of my videos. So we do that basically daily. But when Darren is gone, we just kind of play at home. Our dogs are not very good on leashes. They really pull. And Hunter is, I think, 87 pounds and Sadie is 76. And they are very strong. So when they pull or there's another dog that they want to go sniff, I mean, they can straight up pull me over and I will fall down and I get hurt. So we always have to walk them together. Each of us walk one dog, and that's kind of the only way we can really do it. So when Darren's out of town, they don't get walks. So I'm going to drive them over to the dog park and let them play, get as dirty as they want. I'm gonna bring some towels because today is bath day. So I'm like, all right, this aligns perfectly with their wash schedule. So that's what's happening. It wasn't supposed to be bath day today. However, they broke into a neighbor's yard and decided to roll all in the dirt yesterday. So that was really a pleasure. So they are quite dirty, and I didn't realize quite how dirty they were yesterday. Like, I kind of tidied them up with like a wet towel, but yeah, they were a lot dirtier than I realized, and they smell really bad now. They just got a bath, I kid you not, 3 days ago, but here we are. All loaded up and ready to go to the pup park. So I'm very excited. I am taking Darren's car because I don't want to get mine dirty. So we just won't tell him, okay? I'll vacuum it out before he gets back, but I have stuff in my car, don't want to empty it. So we're gonna use his. This guy puts on the parking brake even if he's parking on like flat areas. Are you supposed to do that? Because I don't do that. Do you guys know where you are? Do you know where you are? Okay guys, are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, okay. Come on guys. Can you drop it? Can you drop it, Hans? Oh yeah. Can you drop it? Drop it. Good man. Thank you. Okay, ready? Wow. Okay, this is Sadie's second rinse. We haven't even started washing because look how dirty this water is. Yeah, it was bath time. Seriously, we are trending baths every 3 days because you guys just can't stay clean. You guys, they were so dirty. It took me an hour to wash them because I had to wash both of them twice. Like, I had to give them back-to-back baths because they were just that freaking dirty. And then I like get in the bath with them to like wash them and stuff. So my shirt, shorts, everything were soaked in like the dirty water, and I was just like, ugh, I feel gross. So fresh out of the shower number 2 of the day. So I came out here to check out what my lunch options are. I think I'm gonna make myself a hot link for lunch, or maybe I'll make hash browns. I haven't really had full breakfast today. Whoa, you okay, Hunter? Ate too fast? Wow. No, I'll probably just, do a hot link, that's easy. So I'm just gonna get dressed again, make a hot link, and then I really wanted to just go on a walk by myself. I've really been enjoying the walks, and they make me feel so good, and they've been such a source of like serotonin. So, oh my gosh. Oh, my camera was about to fall off the edge of the counter. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. What is it? What is it, Angel? Oh, are you just telling me you've had a really good day? Are you telling me you've had a really good day? Me too. So I'm back from my walk, and oh my gosh, I just chugged like almost 20 ounces of water. I am so thirsty. I did, I think almost 4 miles. Let me see, because I'm at 5.1 and I think I had like 1.5 or something. So yeah, almost 4 miles. So I'm now at 12,000 steps. Yes. And then comforter finished drying, so made the bed. And then I took off my nail polish. I had silver nail polish that I painted last week, and that's probably why it was chipping off. So yesterday I like filed my nails down to length I want them to be, and like trimmed up my cuticles. And then today I took off the polish, and I think I'm gonna let my nails breathe for a bit because they're not doing so hot. I think they're still, like, I can see a clear line as to like where they start looking like crap, and I think in like 3 weeks it should be grown out. I'm pretty sure that's from where I got gel nail polish like 2 months ago. So I think this is like the remainder of it, but I am feeling so tired. By the time I was going on my walk, I was already feeling like very low energy, and I went on my walk and I feel so happy that I did. I feel very accomplished, but now I'm like 0 energy. Both the dogs are just laying here. They are pooped. Since the dog park, they have not patrolled outside. They don't care when even like the mailman comes. Like, they're so tired. Like, that was their entire day of activity. Hey guys, it's about an hour later of doom scrolling on Instagram, and I'm hungry. So decided on Wingstop. So we're all 3 of us are craving wings, so yay. We got the $16.99 pack where it's like 20 wings, fries, and some dips. And we got lemon pepper, Louisiana rub, and mango habanero. And then it comes with, yeah, like fries also. So very excited. I volunteered to be the one to go pick it up. So let's go get it. Okay, so good news. Got the food. Bad news. They said 15 to 20 minutes when we ordered online. So I got here like 17, 18 minutes. I waited in there for half an hour. So it was significantly late. Oh, Yeah, it's more than half an hour late. Oh, I'm so hungry, but they threw in 3 cookies, so I'm very happy about that because I am craving cookies. I went to a bakery on Friday and picked up a dozen cookies, and they were terrible. So bad. Like, I couldn't even finish a cookie. So then I brought them home. I had my mom try them, and she also took 1 bite and spit it into a napkin and was like, what is this? I mean, I got chocolate chip cookies, sprinkle cookies, and cowboy cookies. How do you mess up a chocolate chip? Like, Toll House gives you a recipe. Like, if you don't know, like, we have reliable resources, you know what I mean? But yeah, no, they did their own thing, and I don't know what they did. I don't know if they missed ingredients. I don't know if they added ingredients, but like, something was wrong with that because it didn't even taste like any proper cookie should. So anyway, I'm actually very excited about this cookie the cookies that they threw in. Dessert. Hey guys, good morning. It's Sunday morning and showered, got ready. I'm not going to heat style my hair today. I did blow dry it, which is why it's kind of puffy, but my hair is so much softer and healthier when I'm not putting heat on it every day. So I don't have the luxury of not doing that during the work week, but on the weekends, I'm trying to remember. I keep like routinely doing it. Like, I blow dried my hair today because it's just like routine. And then I was like, oh shoot, I don't want to use heat on it. So trying to remember. It's a journey, guys. But I have been keeping it up to date on my, I have been keeping routine with my collagen, which yay. I'm about to run to Starbucks, pick up a coffee, and then I'm picking up Darren this morning. So wanted to pop in and just say good morning. Just left Starbucks, got myself a vanilla sweet cream cold brew, kicking off fall right. And then I also got this spinach feta wrap, which I'm so excited for. I love these things and I haven't had them in forever. It is super hot, so I'm just gonna let that be. I have burned myself on too many of these things, so we're gonna be patient. I'm out on my daily walk. I'm about halfway done. I have hit 2.4 miles, going for 5, and I really picked the hottest part of the day. It's like 2 o'clock, and well, now it's almost 3. And I'm feeling like mistakes were made because I am sweating. I did not bring water once again. I did not learn my lesson yesterday, but you know what? I am really proud of myself for getting out here and getting my steps in. I feel so good, despite the fact that I'm overheating. I feel so good and so proud of myself that I am doing this. So let this also serve as a bit of inspiration for any of you guys who feel like you have had trouble like getting in your daily activity and just having like an active life, because I feel like I definitely haven't been, and I haven't been feeling very good about myself. So happy that I have finally given myself the permission and commitment to, yeah, be a bit more active. All right, Botox time. Let's go. Hey guys, so it's 2 days later and I am popping in to end off the video. Things have been very busy and I thought I might extend the vlog, but I just have too much going on right now. It is end of the quarter, and as you guys may know, I am in sales, so that means chaos and a lot of busyness. So I just wanted to pop in here and end off the video right. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.